boy.
What's more?
Good job. Tammy thinks it's funny too.
I'm scraping the bottom of the bowl, Grayson. Nani's trying to get it every last drop. There. There. I think this is
Good
the
stuff,
end.
Grayson.
Yum, yum.
I think this is the end.
Yum, yum. Yeah, it's so good. Good boy.
Yum, yum. That's it. Nani can't get any more out. I'm trying. I'm trying.
Good boy. Yeah. Yum, yum.
Want the rest of it? Good to the very last drop. That's it. All gone.
All gone. Good job.
Good.
Was that fun, Grayson? Does that squash taste good? Taste good? Yeah, is it good?
Yeah. Oh, that was yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. I got squash in my tongue.